All right, welcome back to LearnWire. There are a ton of tools on Appsumo, so I'm going to get started with trying to get out as many reviews as I can for you. We have some tools that have come back as well. Let me go back over here to Appsumo. So it looks like we have a last call that just started. I believe it probably just started just now today. And so we have a week right here. If you're a Plus member, you will have a chance to pick up tools that have come back, like Alphana, NeuronWriter, and Zcal, and a bunch of other ones. So you have till March 17th to pick these tools up. Now I'm going to kick it off by going to new arrivals and scrolling down here. Now remember, if there's a tool on Appsumo that you want me to review, you need to comment below, comment the tool below, and I will try my best to get to it. And that would be, if I get enough votes for a tool, I'll move it up on the list. I already have a kind of a schedule that I've created. But if enough of you comment on the same tool that you want it, then I will move that up the list and I'll do that review faster for you. So it's very important that you leave comments. It's kind of how I want to do it. I think it'll be great because then you guys will get the content you want, faster. All right, so we're going to scroll down and you can see we have NeuronWriter right over here. I'm going to go click on it. So they're back. This is the biggest tool, brought in the most sales and revenue on Appsumo of all time. 773 reviews, basically a 5-star. This tool is amazing. It's like Surfer SEO or Phrase or a lot of other tools that have basically do SEO content optimization, and they do it really, really well. This is your chance to come back and get it on a lifetime deal. Let me just go down and go to the plans and features and see what's updated here. So you have your single plan at $99. So they've gotten to a point where, that's the lowest amount. That's an expensive single plan. Usually we see, $39, $49, but they're seasoned. They've been around for years. And so it's not a new kid on the block. And so the prices have just gone up. I don't know if these numbers have changed since the very first time. I'm sure they have changed since the first time I did my review. But you can get a single at $99, content analyst queries per month, 25, AI credits per month, 15,000. And this is really like 15,000 basically of words of content that you can create. So it's just not going to be enough. I will say, and then you have a sharing level of read. So it won't get until your multiple tier 3 at $297 where the tool is actually going to be usable with a team, because then they're going to be able to edit and use the tool fully. You're going to get a lot more words that you can use on a monthly basis. And so this is when I believe that this is the plan I'm on. And this is where the tool really opens up and shines, in my opinion, is the multiple plan at $297. The doubles, $198. And then you have your multiple at $297, and then you have your next one. I wish they would have just said tier 1, 2, 3, 4. It gets kind of confusing right over here, the way that they're titling this. $396 right there, and then we'll just came over here. They also have a $495 plan right there, and a $594 plan, and a $693 plan right there. And that's going to be, you're really going to be just increasing the amount of projects and content analysis that you can do per month. Your words go up drastically of the AI content that you can use. Now, normally what I've done in the past is I usually use this for its intended purpose, in my opinion, is that this, you can see right here, they've been around since 2019, but their intended purpose is to have your content already created and then bring it into NeuronWriter to get it optimized. And then that's when you can further optimize your content to make it even better. Okay. But they do have a content writer as well, which I'm going to try to use today for you. And we'll take a look at that to see what it can do for you if you purchase it and you only want to use NeuronWriter. Now, to jump in over here, here's NeuronWriter, the homepage, and I like to do this for seasoned tools. When we click over here, you can see on SimilarWeb that they're getting over 200,000 visitors per month. So that means that they are sustainable. They're getting traffic to their website. They're getting monthly paid customers. And so they're not as needy or reliant, I should say, on like Appsumo or a lifetime deal package. They probably have a nice subscriber base as well, paying monthly. And that's what you want to see, because then that's why they're able to continue to develop the tool. And it's been around for years, and it will most likely be around for years to come. So those are all really good things, actually. We're going to come over here into SERP Robot. Man, it's been a long time since I've logged into my SERP Robot, and there's been some actually really cool things that I want to create some more videos on, and there's some promising things. A long time ago, leave a comment below if you remember when there was one of the massive Google updates, Google Helpful Content Update number 1 or 2 or whatever it was, right? And you guys know my take on this. I just got tired of them, right? And so that's why I'm going elsewhere to get my traffic. But I had, just to do an experiment, I had removed all of the content on one of my sites. And we'll come down here to realistic pay. We removed all of the content. And then we can come down here, and I just logged in, and you can see it's updated March 9th, 2025. We're literally ranking for these articles that I posted a couple of articles that had to do with online courses, and we've actually have started ranking for these articles. So this already tells you, so I was going to continue on with this. I was supposed to post, 50 to 100 articles. That never happened, but I did get at least 4 articles up on the site. And this actually answers our question that a site can get completely, and if you guys want me to make a complete video on this topic, then go ahead and leave a comment below. Just say Google helpful content update or something like that. But this essentially tells us that my website was completely impacted and lost all rankings. It had hundreds of articles on it. Might have had about 200 or 300 or more articles on it, and it was ranking and getting traffic. It had a lot of authority. It actually, this was one of my test sites from 5 years ago that I would put AI articles on it, and I would rank them overnight, and then I would show you guys, right? And then one of the helpful content updates came out, just destroyed the site and the rankings. So then what I did was I wanted to do a test, and I basically removed all the content on the site. And then I put it with fresh, high quality AI articles on here. And then it was months and months for it didn't rank. And then I just logged in today, and my articles are actually ranking in the top 100 pages. So that tells me that a site that was penalized for AI content or whatever, what have you, you can remove all that content, get a fresh start, put different articles on it, and it actually can rank. But the caveat to that is it can take it's probably it's been a year. So it's not something that's going to be a fast thing for you. And you're never going to get that like immediate recognition of, oh, okay, cool, we've turned the corner, we're ranking or something like that. You would be posting on a daily basis to your site, right? And that can go on for months and months. And you don't know, it can be very discouraging, if you will, right? Because you could be working on a site that was penalized, and you don't know if it's actually going to turn the corner and actually start getting rankings and traffic on the new content. But in this case, it actually did. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with the site over here, but that's very encouraging. The site, you can remove content when you're penalized completely, start from scratch, and your site actually can get a new, fresh look on it and start ranking, which is super cool. But we're gonna go over here to LearnWire, the site, and see kind of some of the rankings. It looks like, so our average position is 60. And when we come down here and look at the stats, you can actually see that we were down here to like 88, 86. It was really, really bad for a while, right? And I just kind of gave up completely on SEO. And then we come down over here and you can see that we've kind of risen. All right, perfect. So I have to re-record this part of the video because I don't know what happened. Recording this video in Camtasia, and something got cut off. So this is actually going to be an advantage to you because I'll be able to just sum up everything for you. And so instead of watching a 25-minute video, you'll be able to get the gist of this in the next 5 minutes. So what did I end up doing? Well, we were able to achieve a 79 score, and that's higher than the top rated score in the top 10 for subscriber review. Okay, so we were able to create content that is on point from an SEO standpoint that is definitely good enough to outrank any article on page 1, but that doesn't, include, page authority, site authority, all that kind of stuff that definitely goes into SEO. But from a content standpoint, that's what NeuronWriter is doing. And that's a tool like NeuronWriter is doing its job by creating the content to be as high as you can possibly get it, okay? So what we ended up doing is we used NeuronWriter to come out here and analyze our content, right? So we put in our term subscriber review, then it went out there and it analyzed all the top ranking articles on Google, and then it told us what words we need to include in our content. You can see all this green right here. I'm going to show you how I did that. Now you can use NeuronWriter to write your article completely if you want. Personally, if you're doing this on a daily basis, you're probably not going to have enough credits to use this as a full-time AI writer. And so I like to use it as an optimization tool first and foremost, and that's what it was built to do. with the side order of, adding in content, which we did that. And I can show you how we did that. We added in this FAQ right down here with a ton of with a lot of the NLP keywords. Okay. And I can show you. So how we did that was we actually went up here, we went to AI writing. And then I went to my FAQ. So you're going to have this list of all kinds of different things you can do. I like to use this FAQ, and then it'll have all these words that we have not used. You can select the tone of voice, you can change the creativity and everything, and then you can say, write for me. And then it went out there and it used all these terms that we had not used in the content yet. And it went and it actually added those. Okay. So then our score went from like a 72 all the way to a 78. Then we went over to terms and I found one like lifetime deal, and we came down here and I added this sentence right now. Right now it's back on Appsumo for a lifetime deal, but it won't be available for very long. Get it today. So I added a lifetime deal, and live it changed to green, right? And then this score went from 78 to 79. Okay. So that's how you used NeuronWriter. It's a top 5 best tool that I've reviewed in 5 years on Appsumo. I've made a lot of videos about it. I've ranked a lot of content from it. This is a fantastic tool that I highly recommend, and they're back on Appsumo right now. And so you can see they're getting over 200,000 visitors per month to their site. They have a subscriber base of people that are paying monthly for the tool as well. It's well supported. It's going to be around for a long time. So it is a top recommended tool of mine from a lifetime deal standpoint and from an Appsumo recommendation standpoint. Now, how we wrote this, let me just show you. So I used what is called a project in Claude. Okay. So we went into projects, and I went into this one called LearnWire Review Post. So I created this, right? It has a specific set of instructions right over here that I trained the AI on. And then we have an AI word ban list. We have all kinds of good stuff over here. And then what I did was I just came over here, and you can see the prompt. I pasted my transcript. So we went over to YouTube, and I went to my video on subscriber, right? And then I grabbed the transcript, right? This is my video, so I'm going to do that because it's my video, my YouTube, my brand, right? So I grabbed the transcript here, and then we went back over here and I pasted that in. And that's what I like about Claude, is that if it's a large context window, you have a lot on your copy on your clipboard, it'll actually paste it as a clip right over here, which is super, super nice and handy. And then I said, write a blog post for my video transcript. Also attached are relevant NLP keywords or terms that you should use throughout the blog post. And so how did I get those? This is where NeuronWriter comes in again. You scroll down and you can see right over here, you copy. And what I did was I copied the terms with the suggested uses. Like, so the ones that really need to be used, I don't want to, copy too many, but this one right here, I think, is the best. And so I copied that and we pasted that down here, and you can see all the words right over here, NLP keywords that need to be used 1 or 2 times. And then I pushed go. And then it wrote this really good, and we're in a Claude Sonnet 3.7. So we're in the latest large language model from Claude, which is super, super good. So you can see right over here, it created a table for us, all the good stuff right over here, okay? And so we're gonna come down here, boom, 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 and we have some really good content right over here. And then it also creates a meta description for us as well. So then we went back into NeuronWriter. This is where we put in the title. I made sure we put the title in right here. I put the meta description. I pushed save and close. And that's how we were able to achieve that score. So this is how I would use NeuronWriter. I would use it to optimize my content, to find out what terms I need to include in my content. But still, you want to create the best content possible that's factual, based on real, that's why I like doing reviews first and review videos first, because I know that I touched the software. I know what I said, and it's based on my real world experience and facts, not based on just a sales page and making up AI content. So this is in combination of using NeuronWriter for its AI capabilities and SEO on-page optimization functionality, and then also using my transcript, and then using AI and Claude and putting all that together. I think that you can get the best content possible. Okay. So then you just save. Now I'm going to take this content right over here and I'm going to copy it. I'm going to go and publish it. I'm going to track this in SERP Robot. We'll see if we can get some rankings in the next week or 2. I'll update you guys. And then the last thing I need to do is publish this and then add a couple screenshots, couple images, just to split the content up and make it a little bit better. Okay. And this one is a perfect 1,500 word article. This is just a great, great workflow in my opinion. And Claude seems to be Claude Sonnet 3.7 3.7 seems to be really taking it up a notch, taking it to the next level, because this is the first time ever I've used ChatGPT or Claude and actually achieving 1,200 word articles from pushing one button. So this is extremely impressive. I'm probably going to make more videos on Claude now because they finally are getting out of the gates, and this 500, 600, 700 word articles, when you're telling it, you're always telling it to write 1,000 word article, 1,200 word article, and it doesn't matter what large language model you use, ChatGPT, Claude, or any of them, they always fail at this, right? This is impressive. So taking this content that Claude wrote, taking it back into NeuronWriter, adding in that extra, SEO juice to it, that FAQ to the bottom. This is a great workflow. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below on what video you would like me to create next, what software on Appsumo you'd like me to create next. If there's more than one vote for one or more than one comment for the same software, then I'm going to move it up the list and I'm going to get to it much faster. If you made it to the end of the video, today's magic word will be snake. So if you say snake, I know you watched the entire video. I appreciate you guys so much. There'll be a link below to go pick up NeuronWriter if it's not in your tool kit right now, which I doubt that you don't have a copy of it. But thank you guys so much for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.